Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your Redmi 14C. So you can do this in three ways. So the first way is the simplest one by using the physical buttons. So if you want to take a screenshot, all you have to do is press the power button and the volume down button to take a screenshot. So all you have to do is press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously, and that will take a screenshot. So press, and you can see you have successfully taken a screenshot. So let's just do that one more time. So power button and the volume down button, press them once simultaneously, and there you go. You have successfully taken a screenshot on your Redmi 14C. Now another way you can take a screenshot is by using the quick shortcut menu. All you have to do is swipe down from the top right corner to access this panel, and then swipe down again to access the quick settings icons. Now from this quick settings icon, all you have to do is find the screenshot icon. So here it is. So it looks like a scissors. It has a scissors. So all you have to do is tap on the screenshot icon, and it will take a screenshot on that particular page. So it's pretty simple. So swipe down from the top right corner to access this notification panel, and then swipe down again to access the quick settings icon or quick setting shortcuts, and then find the screenshot shortcut, tap on it, and that will take a screenshot. Now the third way is by using your gestures. So all you have to do is simply swipe down using 3 fingers, and that will take a screenshot. Now before you can use this gesture, you have to enable it. So to enable it, all you have to do is open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and find additional settings. Tap on that, and then within the additional settings, select gestures shortcuts, and then within the gestures shortcuts, find the option take a screenshot, tap on it, and ensure that this option slide 3 fingers down is enabled. So if it is disabled, you cannot take a screenshot using that gesture. But if it's enabled, you can simply swipe down, and that will take a screenshot. So that's basically it on how to capture a screenshot on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.